If you have ever had problems with Google Chrome running slow or maybe acting strange, your extensions might be the reason. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to turn them off, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you step by step how to disable extensions in Google Chrome. It's very simple. I will show you how to do it step by step. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to turn extensions off in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, you're going to open Chrome. Go to the top right, click on this icon, and here open Manage Extensions. And here you can simply choose the extension that you want to disable, and you're going to click on this button. For example, you want to disable this one, you're just going to simply click here. To enable it again, you're just going to click here. What you're going to do is you're going to click on everyone to disable all of them. And this is how you can disable extensions on Chrome. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.